Hey, this is just going to be a simple unboxing video of the MOFII. This is the wireless keyboard and the mouse, and then you have the little module that you plug into your computer. This does come in a few different colors. I ordered the green. Also, I do need to make note that this was actually sent to me from the company in exchange for a review. So I have never really been somebody to be into retro stuff, but I have to say that when I open this, this is actually the coolest keyboard, and I will actually be changing mine out. First off, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got the soft touch. That is a big thing for me when I am getting keyboards. I mean, it's not as loud and it just has a nicer feel to it. It does have the entire keypad for your numbers. It's got all the normal keys on it. You enter the shift, control, you've got up, down, side arrows, got all your F keys up here. Of course, you've got your number lock. Well, actually, these three are the lights, so you would press the number lock or whatever, and it would show you. And it's even got a little indicator right here that will show you when the battery is going dead. They do actually send you 2 AA batteries. Now, this, let's see. Okay, so this will take just 1 AA battery, and then the mouse, we can get it out of here. The mouse will actually take the other AA battery, and then also, so you know, this is where the little module is that you plug into your computer. I don't exactly know how you're supposed to get it out of here, but oh, there we go. You just have to catch it with your fingernail. So you plug that into your computer, and when it's not, you can pop it back in there to keep up with it. It does have a little slider ball on it. Be sure to check out my next video, because I'm actually going to connect this to my laptop to give you a little bit of a feel of how it works.